Hey guys, I'm Buki Elegbede, and you are watching Baked by Buki. And you know what got me baking are cookies. And I'm gonna show you how to make not one, not two, not three, but quadruple chocolate cookies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. First, we're gonna start out with our dry ingredients. In this bowl, we have 2 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, and we're gonna add to that 3/4 cup Dutch processed cocoa, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and just salt, the most important ingredient. And we're just gonna whisk all that together to combine. You're gonna cream together 2.5 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup brown sugar. Let that cream together for 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. So, with the mixer on low, you're gonna add 1 egg at room temperature, and now 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 ounces unsweetened cocoa that's been melted and cooled. And with the mixer on low, you're gonna add all your dry ingredients. You're gonna add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of white chocolate chips. And give it one quick mix until everything is combined. And you're gonna scoop evenly. You can say anything with cookies. I'm sorry, I love you, happy birthday, I miss you, Merry Christmas. Say it with a cookie. Into the oven, 350 degrees for 15 minutes. You're gonna rotate halfway through the cooking time to ensure even baking. Set your timer. Once out of the oven, allow to cool completely on the cookie sheet, and they're gonna firm up, and then it's time to eat. This is the ultimate chocolate cookie.